Hey guys, what's going on? Right now we're doing a quick little cleanup here. Basement had flooded. Right now we're just doing some water extraction. As you can see, it's really wet right in this area. Stayed relatively dry right here. And then also, this is the super wet spot. Someone told me before they put the carpet in here that there was a floor drain here that they plugged up. So it's graded for the water to all come this way. Guessing it also followed down this wall, and that's how it ended up down in this other low spot here. What had happened was water had came in, and see from this floor, water had came in through this window well, traveled down that wall, and just made its way out. So what we got to do is we're going to start off extracting the water. We'll leave the fan here, start the drying process, and go run and do our other job. This one just came in on an emergency, and I'll come back and we'll be working late tonight here. Yeah, we're already starting to get quite a bit of it out. Yeah. This one should go good. We'll get everything, all the water extracted, and sanitize everything. And once it dries, we'll come back and clean it. Make it so that they could show. He actually had a showing this morning, and imagine the headache he had to deal with. Either way, get this thing looking good for him. Stay tuned, guys. Hey guys, so this one actually went really well. I actually think this is probably about 75% dry already. I'm shouting because I'm talking over the fans. All this stuff back here is dry. This in this area here still kind of moist, but really no need to even pull up the carpet. We're just going to blow it on the surface. I got 2 fans here, and then the homeowner brought 2 as well. Figured he asked if they would help, and honestly, yeah, any air moving around is going to help. But yeah, this went really good. As you can see where I'm walking, I mean, even in this low spot here, we're not sopping up or nothing. Just a little bit moist, like it would be for a regular carpet cleaning. Came in here, went over this floor for him. Water actually traveled down here as well, which is why it was in that other low spot. Yeah, we cleaned this floor, wiped off that wall a little bit, made it so he could at least show it. It's let's see what time it is. It's almost midnight here. We actually ran and did another job and came back here and got back to extracting water, letting the fans blow. Actually, some areas like over in that corner and stuff where we were sucking coming through that doorway, that was pretty much dry when we arrived back here. We came back, it was probably about, honestly, it was 8:30, 9 o'clock, so we gave it a good another 3 hours here. Took care of the homeowner. It's almost unheard of to have it as dry as what this thing will be by the morning for him. So yeah, you guys run into any problems where your basement floods, you need an emergency service, give us a shout. WindyCitySteam.com. Thanks for watching, guys.